Okay, look at this, guys. There's practically no beach left. And this is 2 days before the hurricane gets here. I keep saying this, but this is amazing. Look, I usually sit over here, but there's no beach. The sand is gone. Only water. Just a little strip. I'm just biking down the beach, showing you guys this. Look, there's nothing left. There's no beach left. We got maybe about 20 feet, 30 feet in the biggest spot, and then you got like 15 feet in a little spot. Unbelievable. That's amazing. And I'm going to come back tonight before dawn and see how far the water came out. I bet it's going to be even less beach. This is really amazing. I don't even know what to say. Amazing stuff.